done a 1:30.537. Willis, Lola G212. So 28 minutes of this session for things to unfold. Out again, Tom Bradshaw. There is cycle through. About traffic. Tom Bradshaw. Around the 64 coming down steadily. Andy Willis is in the jump down. Bumped up between the two of them, so he's obviously going to take it in steady as he brought it in, which is good news. Yeah. Well, that car's second quickest, Tom Bradshaw. It's 9 seconds behind. Well, 7 years old and 13. Fourth himself up in that Cycle P-Cars Association. Now the gap from Tom Bradshaw. Is now out in number 20. Dean Forward or Jamie Thwaites?
Dean Forward is now in that car.
Yeah. Well, he's quick.
Jamie started that one.
Right. Tom Bradshaw through. Does he do? Yes, he does. 1 minute 9.557. That's the biggest time now for Nigel Greenfall and the rest of the 84. Nigel goes through.
How's that going to play out with the fact that it's probably going to be even hotter by the time it gets to race day?
I think actually it's coming to it, which is quite nice.
Fantastic, well done. And he's now focused on the car and his teammate just fine up, ready to go out there as well. Jumping in now, so they're obviously expecting. I do love as well, I was saying to Julian sort of break them all together. Julian, just a very quick one. Everything okay with the car because the body works up?
Went up to 3 cylinders on the last lap, but apart from that it was fine. Really good.
Yeah, I mean, what's it in? Is it fifth place? Yeah, it's fifth place so far, so looking good. This is going to enable Callum to get out there. That's right, back in the back out Callum's going to go up and we'll know we go even quicker. Well, top of 1:30.9.
Quickest in the 28 class. Racing against Chevron. Driving Chevron. Time, just on 9.46 seconds. very successful over time. On the Palmer Audi as well. Good success. There's the number 11. Solid off the racing start. John Miles was 71. That's the slowest time I've ever in that car. Obviously, it can't be quite as it should be with that car. Steve often sees those historic Formula 3.
Well, they were in earlier at some stationary, but there didn't seem to be a lot of activity around it, so I just assumed it was a deliberate ploy, but they can't do
You have noticed, of course, that he's called Seaman Speed.
I have, yes. I have. Well, you know, I thought you got C6 Steve, the musical artist as well, so you never know.
Yeah. So all the mid-range power's just gone, and so yeah, we're probably about 2 seconds down on where we should be, but hey, it'll make it for a good race, won't it?
It certainly will. We do love it when you've got to come through the field. I mean, I guess therefore, what is it? Just sort of like make sure you get your mandatory laps in and then get to work overnight on it.
Yeah, absolutely. So make sure both of us get the mandatory laps in. The biggest issue is fifth. I get into fifth gear and I can't get it back out. So I'm doing the whole lap sort of trying to stay in one gear really, which is no good for one half the track. And then the other manage the car and not over-rev it.
Just when we're not doing the Melbourne hairpin as well, eh?
Yeah, absolutely. That would be a nightmare, yeah.
What else are you up to this year?
So odds and sods really. The last weekend I was here racing in GT Cup in a Porsche Cayman with a customer of mine. Had some great fun, some really good results, and we're doing a few more rounds in GT Cup this year. Yeah, absolutely. It was great fun to be part of. The second part of the race is brilliant. You've got some very good drivers out there, wheel to wheel, everyone's pushing for every last tenth. It's great fun to be part of.
Absolutely. Well, good to see you back here. Fingers crossed you get it sorted. Thanks, Darren. So there you go. It's an issue that they're probably not going to be able to work around in this session here, but just do enough and we get to enjoy them coming through the field tomorrow, I suppose.
Said to you, I think, that he's a couple of seconds off what he could do.
Yes.
But if you took a couple of seconds off what he has done, so
Race drivers exaggerate, surely not.
that would be a mighty time. We've seen it, that's all 7th fastest on a 113.817.
The number 12 car's in with an issue with one of the right wheels by the looks of it. They're sort of like busy folks on it. John Cook still sat in the car. They've dropped it back down now. Slightly longer races and these cars need to be worked on occasionally.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's a magnificent machine, that's everything called that. I'm not letting the noise, speed as well as it is.
Yeah, I don't think that's
So Tom Bradshaw, actually, I didn't mention this to you, but Tom Bradshaw's gone even quicker now, 1 minute 9.430, so he